The Ningdefly 60A MPPT Solar Controller stands out for its high conversion efficiency, squeezing more usable energy from solar panels than basic pulse width modulation units. Its automatic recognition of 12, 24, 36, and 48-volt battery banks makes it a flexible choice for off-grid cabins, recreational vehicles, boats, and small solar stations. Support for lithium iron phosphate, gel, sealed, flooded, and absorbed glass mat batteries allows you to mix it into many existing systems without changing your storage setups. The integrated liquid crystal display gives clear, real-time information on charging status and battery condition, which makes day-to-day monitoring straightforward even for newer users. Built-in protections against overcharging, deep discharge, reverse wiring, overheating, and short circuits help extend battery life and add confidence when running unattended. Despite its substantial current rating, the controller is reasonably compact, installs without much fuss, and is backed by ongoing technical support for long-term use.